Alright, welcome back to another video everybody. So today you've clicked on this video in order to figure out how to set up TidyLabs on Streamlabs. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So what you'll need to do is go over to tidylabs.stream in order to get the alerts and whatnot. So let's go ahead and click login. Log in with Lino. Then you'll need to type in your password here, just like so. Press continue, OK, and then you'll need to go down to alert box, and then if you want followers, subscribers, hosts, and tips, make sure that all the boxes are checked. If they are checked, then you should be good. If you scroll down, you can see you can change the colors and turn on lemon spam protection. You can change the amount of time that the alert pops up and the volume. I usually just leave it all at the same. You can also edit the text, which I have done. You can look for different pictures and whatnot by clicking this and typing in this thing here. Yeah, okay. So once you've customized everything the way that you want it, you'd want to press Save Changes, and then press that. And then you want to copy this URL. I've found that this button doesn't really actually copy it sometimes. So what I do is I triple click on the text here, and then I right click and see how it says it right here, it has all the words. And then you just press copy. So then you want to head on over to Streamlabs, which here we are, which sorry about the little effect there, that's pretty cool though. You'll need to go to the little plus button. You'll need to go to browser source, then press add source. You can name this TidyLabs if you want. I'll just name it test for now. And then where it says URL, you need to paste the thing that you copied right there. And then you can press done. And then we'll go ahead and put it like right there. Then let's head on over to TidyLabs again. We'll move this out of the way just so you can see it. And to make sure that it's working, you can just press test lemon. And as you can see, it is now working. So let's go ahead and add some Streamlabs, shall we? Because this should work with all of them for now. Yeah, see? Look at that. Okay. So in order to add Streamlabs, you basically do the same thing with all of these. We'll go ahead and just do we'll do one. We'll do the followers. So you'll want to triple click on this, and then right click, press copy. Go back over to Streamlabs, add another browser source, name it followers, and then add new source, and then copy or paste it into the URL slot there. And then it tells you who recently followed, which Junks is the last person that followed me, so that is who is there. Yeah, if you have enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, be sure to press that like button, share with other people so that they know how to do this. And yeah, you can also set up follower goals too. You would just do the same thing. You would enter the amount that you want to follow you right here in this box. Then you'll press save, and then copy this, put it into another browser source or whatnot. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe for more in the future. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.